Help you?
Hi. Hi, do you sell vacuums?
Yes, we do.
Yeah, I'm looking for a special kind of vacuum.
Okay.
It's like shaped like a funnel, sort of.
Shaped like a funnel.
Yeah.
Okay. The vacuums that we sell are Eris Electrolux vacuums.
You put it on the roof of your car. Like while you're driving.
Uh-huh. No, we don't have that vacuum.
Ghosts?
Excuse me?
These vacuums are for catching ghosts? I'm actually not joking.
Uh-huh. Okay. And who is this?
Willie Beamish.
Huh?
Willie Beamish.
Roy Deemish?
Yeah.
Hello?
Hi.
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 Who is this?
Oh, vacuums?
Yes, we do.
Yeah, I'm looking for a special kind of vacuum.
Yeah, we sell the Electrolux vacuums. We don't sell vacuums to catch ghosts.
What the fuck?
Sorry.
I'm actually
Again.
not joking.
Okay.
Well, after that disgrace, I'm happy to say there's an alternative.
Okay. What's that?
God damn! On Nintendo. Nintendo power, motherfucker!
Alright, I'm hanging up now.